Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. If you are looking for some easy to grow, low maintenance, and attractive plants for your home or patio, try some of the many varieties of succulent plants. There are hundreds of different varieties of these beautiful plants that can be used in pots or planters. These plants are becoming very popular because of their variety of shapes and colors, not to mention the fact that they are easy to grow. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to plant a beautiful little succulent garden in a container. Choose any type of container that you like. Just don't make it too deep because most of these plants don't have a real large root system. It's best to have a drainage hole so that excess water can escape so that the roots don't stay too wet. You may even want to add a few rocks at the bottom of the pot to keep the hole from plugging. Use a well-draining soil mix to fill the container, like our Dr. Q's succulent and cactus mix. This mix is very porous, but also has a lot of organic matter in it. Pack it down lightly so that it won't settle down too low in the container once it is watered. Pick out a variety of plants that you want to use and start placing them in the container. Dig a small hole in the soil and place the plant so that the top of the root ball is even with the soil level. Don't put them too close together so they have some space to grow and there's room to put some decorative material like colored rock on the surface. Be creative with your planter and arrange different shapes, sizes, and textures together. When you are finished arranging and decorating your planter, lightly sprinkle it with water so that you get the plant root balls and the surrounding soil evenly moist. Place your finished planter in an area that gets good indirect light, like near a window or on the patio, but not in direct sun. Let the soil dry to the touch before you water again. Do not overwater. That is the main cause of succulent death. Remember, these plants store water in their leaves and stems, so as long as they look good, don't water. Wilting or wrinkling of the stems or leaves can mean that they are too dry or too wet. For more information, visit us at starnursery.com or get our Star Nursery app for your smartphone. And don't forget, we do house calls. Visit your local Star Nursery location or call us at 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.